beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, I do appreciate the love and support. I say thank you for watching my videos, always giving my videos thumbs up and even commenting. I do appreciate you so much. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I say welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can find in your own kitchen. Let's get into the recipe. So one of my natural ingredients is potatoes. Potatoes are great when it comes to hair growth. If you didn't know you could use potatoes on your hair, today I'm going to show you all how to use it and also all the benefits of using it on your hair. Potatoes contain vitamins and minerals. It has vitamins B, C, it has iron and other minerals that are great for hair growth. It is going to strengthen your hair strands and prevent hair loss, hair shedding, hair thinning, and any other hair issues that you might be having. I was blown away the first time I tried potatoes on my hair. And I know you're going to love it too. So you must make sure you're watching this video to the end to learn all the tips and tricks on how to use this hair mask. It prevents hair breakages and improves the overall health of your hair. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. And if you are new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth using natural ingredients like these, you will always be notified. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. Alright, so I just washed my potatoes, peeled them, then after that I gave it a second wash because I do not want any dirt or bacteria in this recipe. I'm going to transfer it into a pot, then I'm going to put it on a stove and boil it. You're going to boil this till it's really tender to touch. So make sure you stay with it so it doesn't burn. I just give it a stir every now and then to make sure it doesn't stick on the pot. Well, let's move on to our next ingredient. The next ingredient is aloe vera. We're going to prepare our own fresh aloe vera juice. If you haven't prepared aloe vera juice before, let me show you how to do it. So I start by cutting the head off, then also just getting the part that I need. Then after that, I put it in water for about an hour or a couple of hours. You know, it depends on you, just to reduce some of the latex in the aloe vera. You know, aloe vera has this yellowish substance in it, and that can make you itch. If it doesn't make you itch, it does make me itch. So I make sure to get rid of it before using my aloe vera. Then after that, I'm just going to use a spoon to get the gel out. Using the spoon is really safe because you all know aloe vera is really slippery. So please don't try to use a knife to get the gel out because I don't want to see the wrong things happening to you. Alright, I'm just going to get all the gel out. Aloe vera is great when it comes to hair growth because of its many vitamins. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, just name it. And these together is going to help strengthen your hair strands and also improve new healthy hair growth. And because of the slip of the aloe vera gel, when you use it as your pre-poo or as a detangler, it's going to prevent hair loss or hair shedding. And this will help you return some length and also help you grow much fuller hair. So I just put my aloe vera gel in a blender and just blended it. And at this point, I am going to check on my potatoes and I can see that they are really tender. So at this point, I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool down. Alright, so I'm going to just transfer it into my blender. I'm going to add some water to it, just a little water, to make the blending part much easier. And here you are, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and loved ones and on your social media platforms so that people can also benefit from this recipe. And I love to read your comments, so make sure you leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. So at this point, I'm just adding my blended potato to my aloe vera. I'm just going to give it a quick stir to make sure everything is mixed in together. Very, very important. make sure you strain this recipe. Regardless of how smooth it comes out from the blender, you still have to strain it. Otherwise, you're going to have some leftovers in your hair and you're going to spend the rest of the year getting all those from your hair. And I do not want that for you. At this point, I'm going to add my oil. I made this oil myself. This is my organic homemade aloe vera oil. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe in the description box and also at the comment section. So make sure to check it out to see how I made this lovely oil. And look at that. Our recipe is all ready. This is really powerful, but you really have to know the right way to use it in order to get all the benefits. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So make sure to pay attention to all the instructions I'm going to tell you and do not skip any part of it. Alright, so pay attention to the instructions. I use this as a pre-poo. That means I use this before shampoo washing my hair. I section my hair and wet it with some water. Then after that, I'm going to apply it in sections. Applying this in section is going to help you to detangle your hair much easier. Because of the aloe vera with this recipe, it is really smooth on the hair. Just apply smoothly on the hair so it makes detangling your hair stress-free. And once you apply it, make sure you use your fingers to separate your hair. Do not go in with a comb. And this will help reduce hair breakages. Then after every section, make sure you put your hair in a twist just to retain the moisture because you do not want your hair to dry out. Just look at how my hair is looking. I just love this recipe. On your hair, it feels like you're using a store-bought conditioner. I just love it. I don't even know how to explain it. And after the first use, you will feel that your hair strands are really stronger, shinier, and much beautiful. After applying to all sections, you're going to cover your hair with a rubber cap for about 30 minutes to make sure it really penetrates into your hair strands. Then after that, go in with your mild shampoo, wash it out, condition your hair, then after that, moisturize your hair. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair much faster.